Hey, thanks for joining us on BWC Publishing Channel. I'm Wayne, aka BWC, by the way. A few years back I was on the satellite TV and I got onto the knife channel where they sell all kinds of knives. I bought this package of knives. There's 7 boxes here of knives, all different sizes, pocket knives by the way, that I thought we'd show you. These will all be for sale on my eBay store, which I'll give you the link to down in the description below. So we'll show you these knives. If you decide you want some of them, go to my eBay channel and look at them. Okay, here's the first knives. This one's called a Swamp Lizard. There's your number on the box. It says 5 inches closed lock back. There it is. See your belt clip? Pretty good looking knife. Can open it one-handed. Let's see what it is open. Looks like it's 8 inches open. Push the button right there, releases the blade, and you can close it. There's your first knife. Swamp Lizard. Knife number 2. See what this is. Delta Ranger. A little smaller knife. I think it says 4 inches closed. These knives are all brand new, by the way. Never been used or opened other than this. There it is. There's the knife open. See what it says here. 5 inches open. This button right there, you push, see it? Oh, push that down, releases the blade. Delta Ranger. Next knife. Navy SEAL Folder 2. See what it looks like. There it is. Measures 5 inches open. There's your belt clip. Looking for a pocket knife, these are good ones. They'll clip right on your belt or in your pocket, slide in through that belt clip. Navy SEAL. There's your next knife. Green Beret Folder. It says 4 inches closed. There's your belt clip. This button on the back there. Let's see, 7 inches open. Push that button right there and it releases the blade and it closes. These are all for sale on my eBay store. We'll have them up there shortly. Leave you a link down below in the description. What's this? Redman Skinner. Four and a half inches closed. There's your belt clip. Oh, I like that yellow. See what it says here. Looks like 8 inches open. Little lever right there with a push releases the blade. See there? See what we got here. American Firefighter? I think that's what it says. Yeah, American Firefighter. The red one, I like that. There's your belt clip. Says Firefighter on the blade. See what this measures. Looks like 8 inches open. Lever right there to push. Releases the blade. Let's say cat's eye. Yes, it does. Cat's eye. 3.5 inches closed. Well, kind of hard to get that now, isn't it? There it is. There's your belt clip. Six and 5 3/4 open. The little red button there is the one you push to release the blade. There it is.